Hey dolls, so here is look 2 of my 3-look Valentine's Day series. I am aware that I have not posted look 1 yet. My computer is, not the computer, but the program that I'm using to edit my videos is not cooperating. It will not let me edit the video in HD, so I don't want to upload it and it comes out not as clear as you guys have been used to seeing. And it also takes away from the look. So fingers crossed that I am able to get these videos out before Valentine's Day. I apologize if I don't. These looks can definitely be used as a night out on the town with the girls, or on a special date with a significant other, or if you just want to be fabulous and rock it. The 2 looks that I've created thus far, I have worn just because I really love makeup and I love expressing myself on different moods and all of that stuff. So just don't think that these looks are only for V-Day, because they're not. It's just that they would be really good to wear on that day. So with this particular look, I wanted to go with a really red, bold lip, which is pretty classic for V-Day because the colors are pink and red. So I wanted to come to you guys with a red lip look. And I do not wear red lipstick often at all. So I thought that this would be a really nice surprise and kind of unexpected from me. So I'm going to zoom in. This is the eye. And of course you can see these fire engine red lips. And I wanted to do an affordable look as well. So I used Wet n Wild's Color Icon Golden Goddess palette. It came out with their limited collection for the holiday. So this is the palette that I used. And you definitely can use colors similar to this if you do not have the palette. But like I said, I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look with affordable products. And I even use a 99-cent lip liner from, I got it at Walgreens. It's a Jordana, and the color is Hot Pepper. And for the lips, I did use MAC. I used MAC Red lipstick that I paired with it. And over it, let's see if I can grab it. Over it, I used Dazzle Glass and Totally Fab, also by MAC, just to give it a really bright, shiny, glossy, sultry lip. So who cannot sit across from you and not stare at these gorgeous puckers? Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Leave comments below, and until next time. Okay, so I already started this, but taking this color in the Golden Goddess palette and going in the crease, which I already started applying. Next, just take a flat brush and you want to wet it, and I like to just use my own mixture. And going in with this gold color here, and we wet it just to give it that metallic color, and dab it on the entire lid. It also helps prevent fallout too. Okay. So once you get that intensity that you want, take I'm using my MAC 222 brush, but take don't brush like this, buffer brush, and we're going to go in with this brown reddish color with gold flecks in it. And just in that outer corner, we're gonna just smoke it out lightly, not going too far in. Like so. I was trying to cook for the Super Bowl, guys, and my husband called me. I was burning a pot, and he smelled that all the way outside. Oh, goodness. And now it smelled like burnt pot. Okay, so you want it to look like so. Now take a even more tapered brush, and I'm using the MAC 222, I believe it is. And I want to just intensify that crease. So I'm going to go in my MAC palette and with brown script, that brick red color, and just get that in there. And then just where this color stops, we're just going to go over that crease color and slowly build it. I can't believe I did that. The pot, the burnt pot. Okay. So we have that. Now we're going to go back in with that fluffy brush and with that outer corner and just go back over. And right now I'm just matching it up with the other side. And then taking that more taper brush, not adding any more color, and then just blending that in. Want to make sure there's a smooth transition in colors. Taking that flat brush, going back in that gold to just intensify it. Like so. Now for our highlight color, we're also going to go into a MAC palette. And we're going to use, what color is this? This is one of my favorite colors and I can't remember. Arena. That's what it is. And just go dab it in that brow bone. Concentrating on that arch. Okay. And then going back in with that more tapered brush and just making sure that there's a nice transition with the two colors, along with the fluffier brush and not adding any more color. And just going back in with that. Next we're going to take the eyeliner that came in that palette, and it's just this goldy color here. And we're going to go along the bottom lash line. And just really get that color on there. And then take a shader brush and go in that dark color that we use on the outer and go right over that pencil. And it helps add the spark reflexes under the bottom. And this is why with this particular look, I did not apply my foundation first because of all of the glitter reflexes it have in it. You can also use under eye powder too to catch that fallout, but I just prefer not to. Okay, and then in the waterline, I'm just going to take Feline by MAC. Absolutely love this. And the only other thing I'm going to do off camera is line my upper lash line with Black Track by MAC and mascara, and I'll be back.